Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V60. So the first thing you do, over to your music, click, well, you see there at the bottom, there's a tick next to my V60. So whatever plays through this, whatever audio plays through this mobile, so long as you've got the audio system set, it will come through the speakers in here. So there's a tick next to that. Over to the system, we click on media. On media, it's saying connect USB because it's not actually showing. The system's not set to Bluetooth. So if we click if we click media again and then wind down to Bluetooth, click OK, then that's playing this. Let me just turn it up quickly. Right, there you go. That's it playing.